Hey guys, in 30 days I'm leaving America forever. I'm 55 years old and I'm happier than I've ever been in my life. I've been in the construction industry for almost 40 years. I grew up in it. I had a big family. I've recently lost my mom and my dad since COVID. I lost a brother and 3 sisters. I've also lost a daughter. I experienced a near-death accident many years back that almost took my life and almost left me paralyzed for life. And I've lost everyone that's close to me except my son. I have a son that's 20 years old. I've been divorced for 13 years here in the U.S. Guys, I know y'all have experienced some of the same thing, from divorce to PTSD to you name it, financial burdens. I know sometimes you feel like you went for that skydive and you get to the edge of the plane and you finally get the guts to let go. And you let go and your parachute won't open. And you're flying through the air and you're just thinking, what's going to happen when I hit the ground? Where am I going to go? What is next? In the next video, I'm going to share with you all my life's experiences and everything that I've been through. I hope that you'll follow me along through my life. I hope that I can help someone. I hope I'm speaking to someone, and I hope to speak to many, many more people moving forward, as I've been through a lot. I've experienced a lot. It's taken a lot of manpower and push through life to want to put one foot in front of the other. I know sometimes you feel like that ostrich and you just want to stick your head in the hole and you never want to come out. Or you feel like that rabbit and you fell in the rabbit hole and you just can't climb out. You know, if you've experienced all this, I have some answers for you. I have some solutions, and I hope to help someone. I plan to go to the Philippines and live my life. I have a beautiful family there, and some property. We plan to build a farm, and I plan to live the rest of my life at the max. I plan to live every day like there's no tomorrow. And going forward, I plan to do everything the right way and stuff. Next video, I'm going to tell you about the day that changed everything. The phone call you never want to receive. The moment America was not enough anymore. Guys, follow me until the next video. I hope everybody is well and God bless. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.